Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. I am Dr. Noreen Khan, lecturer of Biochemistry Department. Today I will discuss BMR, SDA and energy calculation. First, BMR. BMR is the basal metabolic rate. Another name of BMR is resting metabolic rate or basal energy expenditure. Definition of BMR is it is the energy expended by an individual in the basal condition, and the basal condition will be characterized by 12-hour fasting, overnight sound sleep, awake, comfortable physical and mental rest, comfortable environmental temperature and pressure. Normally, BMR accounts 60 to 70% of the energy expenditure, and physical activity will accounts rest for the energy expenditure. Normally, physical activity, the BMR will expended the energy by cardiac activity, GIT movement, physical neural activity, renal activity, and there is maintenance of the muscle tone, temperature regulation, ion transport and synthesis of the enzymes and hormones. For these physical activities, there will be expended energy. Now come to the point, some normal values for BMR. In case of adult male, the BMR is 2000 kilocalorie per day, and in case of adult female, BMR is 1600 kilocalorie per day. Factors affecting the BMR. Age. In case of younger age, BMR will be high than the older age. Number 2 point is sex. In case of male, BMR will be high than female. Number 2 is body weight and height. Increase height and increase body weight, BMR will be high. Number 4 is lifestyle. In case of athletes, if the people are more physically active, their BMR will be high. Endocrine status. Thyroid hormone, catecholamine hormones, which are epinephrine, norepinephrine and growth hormone. These will increases BMR. Pregnancy and lactation. In these two cases, BMR will be high. Disease state. In case of fever, infection, burn, BMR will be increased. Climate. In case of cold climate, BMR will increase, and in case of hot climate, BMR will decrease. Nutritional factors. In case of starvation, BMR will decrease, and increase of after full meal, obviously BMR will increase, but in starvation, BMR will decrease. Now come to the point, genetic or racial factor. In case of Eskimos, BMR will be high. So these are all the factors which will affect the basal metabolic rate. Now come to the point, second thing, specific dynamic action of food, SDA. Specific dynamic action of food is the extra heat production over and above the food which is given for eating purpose, and when the food is metabolized within the body, then extra heat which is produced, that is the specific dynamic action of that food. So specific dynamic action of food will depend on the digestion and absorption of the food, digestion and absorption of the storage products inside our body, and specific dynamic action of food means the thermogenesis or thermogenic effect of the food. Specific dynamic action of food will be for different type of food. For protein, SDA is 30%, for fat, SDA is 4%, and for carbohydrate, SDA is 9%. Normally, energy release from carbohydrate 4 kilocalorie per gram, energy release for protein 4 kilocalorie per gram, and for fat, energy release 9 kilocalorie per gram. So, if we give an example, if we take 25 gram protein, per gram protein, we will get 4 into 25, means for 1 gram protein we will get 4 kilocalories. So 25 gram protein, from 25 gram protein we will get 4 into 25 is equal to 100 kilocalorie energy. But SDA of protein is 30%. So total energy we will get from that protein type of food 130 kilocalorie. But this 130 kilocalorie, it is not the gain of that food. It is the loss of energy, not gain, because here 30% will be expanded for overheat production by that type of food. So after calculation, we will get actually 100 minus 30 is equal to 70 kilocalorie energy from that 25 gram protein. So this is the specific dynamic action of food, which will be extra heat production over and above the food which is given, and after the food is metabolized inside the body. That is the SDA, specific dynamic action of food. Now we will start the energy calculation, energy expenditure calculation. For this calculation, there are three components. Number one component is BMR. This is the largest component for energy requirement of an individual. Number two is SDA, and number three is physical activity. For light activity, there will be 25 to 50% of BMR, and for moderate activity there will be 50 to 100% of BMR, and for heavy activity there will be more than or equal to 100% of BMR. Now I will give you total idea about the energy calculation, energy expenditure of an individual calculation through the whiteboard. So this is the energy calculation, energy requirement calculation of an individual, where there are three components: BMR, SDA, physical activity. For light activity people, 25 to 50% of BMR. For moderate activity people, in the calculation we will use 50 to 100% of BMR, and in case of heavy activity people we will use more than or equal to 100% of BMR. So there are two type of energy requirement: actual energy requirement and recommended energy requirement. Actual requirement, there is a summation of BMR plus 25% of BMR if the people is light worker, 50% of BMR if the people is moderate worker, and 100% of BMR if the people is heavy worker. Now come to the point, recommended requirement. In the calculation of recommended requirement, there will be actual requirement plus 10% of actual requirement, and 10% stands for SDA, specific dynamic action of that food. So if we suppose or imagine that and in case of an adult male, the male is light worker and the male BMR is 2000 kilocalorie per day. In that case, actual requirement of that male person will be 2000, means his BMR plus 25% of BMR, means as mentioned already, light working male person, so 25% of his BMR. 25% of BMR is 2000, so 25% of 2000, so calculation will be 2000 plus 25% means 25 divided by 100 into 2000 is equal to 2500 kilocalorie per day is the actual requirement of that adult male. And now come to the point, recommended requirement. Recommended requirement is the actual requirement plus 10% of actual requirement. So actual requirement was 2500 kilocalorie per day plus 10% of 2500 kilocalorie per day. 10% means 10 by 100. So total is 2750 kilocalorie per day. It is the recommended requirement of the adult male. If the male who is a light working and when his BMR is 2000 kilocalorie per day. So this is the all about energy requirement calculation. So in case of this energy requirement calculation, if she is a female and if she is pregnant, in that case, in case of recommended requirement, we will add more 300 kilocalorie, and if she is lactating mother, then we will add 500 kilocalorie in the recommended requirement of that female person. So we the medical student, we are the moderate activity people. So in case of our calculation, there will be, we will add 50% of BMR. So when there will be calculation in the question, there will be the BMR will be given of male or female, and light working, moderate working or heavy working people, it will be also given in the question paper. So there is no problem, only we have to need the rules, and then the rule is mainly in case of actual requirement BMR plus according to the light, heavy or moderate activity percentage, and in case of recommended requirement, actual requirement plus 10% of actual requirement. This is the main rules. Only in case of pregnancy and lactating mother, we will add 300 and 500 respectively in case of recommended requirement. It's all about today BMR, SDA and energy requirement calculation of an individual. So thank you all, be safe, inshallah. We will discuss another topic in the later discussion. Thank you, Allah Hafiz.